I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Side Settings, so open Network and Internet now. Once there, tap Hotspot and Tethering and then Mobile Hotspot. You need mobile data active. Make sure it's on so changes apply. Next, view the current hotspot entry. SSID and password are visible in this screen. Now that you're seeing the settings, you're ready to edit. Tap the hotspot name or configure hotspot to enter the edit view and prepare to change the lock details. You'll now change the lock itself. Select Security and pick WPA2 or WPA3 for a stronger lock. Then tap Password and type a new passphrase. Aim for at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and a symbol so it's secure but memorable. If you want, edit the SSID to something clear and unique. This helps you spot the network. Once you've made changes, press Save or Apply. Make sure to wait for the confirmation so the device writes the new lock settings. You're almost done. Save the settings and toggle the hotspot off and back on to force a refresh. Now reconnect one device using the new password to verify access and confirm internet flow. If connection fails, double-check you typed the password correctly and that security matches client support. If problems persist, reboot your phone or reset hotspot settings and try again. Troubleshooting tip: if clients still can't connect, temporarily set security to WPA2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.